What's up, YouTube? Gonna feed some snakes. Kind of a long day for me, but these mice are just taking a broom. I don't want to get rid of them. They're in the way. Let's see if he takes one. Probably not. I guess he gets done next. Trying to escape on us. That takes care of that out of our life. Fuck mice. Done with them. I'm gonna make it less of a hunt for her today. Less of an adventure. She can just take it. Got that one down. Gonna give her a nice one. Nice big fat one. Oh yeah, she's ready. Champagne pinstripe from Drago's Pythons. Hasn't missed a meal yet. Isn't gonna miss one right now. Right out of my hands. What a girl. Wrap it tighter. There you go. Man, I hate mice. Hate mice. Hate them. Die slow. And I don't care because I hate mice.